they come my way. Oh yeah.
Oh my. My community man. Like me that say you have like look at this that happening your crown. I don't know, Mike.
Who is so about baby? Now to school and I say a massive boy. Adams, you are the funny the one from for you, Dunyame. So, Hannah, me pina me quarter bana and I'll pet town corner say. So, I mean, Yabana wouldn't diagro. Adams, sir. Mimi ti me try adwane ma wudi na wudi sika akototo ntade ne mpaboa wasa ato adwane akoma oge te se mimi nwane de won twene ne ho Adams sa mebua yesa wo fa wadwe wo street ne so mi dunya no besisa mi kabi bia besisa Adams kai na mimi akomo ana
you so me so
hey, me how I do so nyai wa. And then I make catch row. Me how I do so nyai school mo nyai wa. Because me school mo no ma me dwini me ani, me dwini school mo die na ma sa dwini fie die. Dwini kwa me nyai be for so di anya ama akora ni bi. Sa na wo ha me. Wo no wo fa na mo ha me. Busa me nyai fi me. But when I saw Bessa, I was a boy in a bush for say. So, boy in a bush for say, a woman wafer. A dance. Hey,
Mr. Roman, Mimi, to some coming in
Shakurano. Now, Tiana is a way the obey. A flower for so. The man in Tony say, "Mene my G." Let me say, "So I show you at school, me judge no. I'm judging no, so I'm telling you some mention mano." Okay. I don't so from the follow on us today. I know me a crazy mo. Sorry, free alcohol. Emma. Sorry, free alcohol. Genial, man. Free alcohol.
Mike.
All thing I'm take a throw off no. Take a trend say, one tree are cool in the action. Jason from Mohon Tom da. Then I'm a catch no. This time I remember and say yeah you rabbit chain give. Free alcohol.
Adam, is everything okay? I've not been seeing you these days. Are you okay? How long have you been sitting here?
I'm fine.
The whole day I've not seen you and you're telling me you're fine. What's wrong? Talk to me, what's wrong?
Precious, I'm okay. Like, hey.
Scanty. I know it when you're not okay. What is wrong?
Precious, I said I'm fine. Like, I'm just not in the mood. Like,
So you sat here since morning? Huh?
Precious, I'm not in the mood. Why do you keep on talking? Oh.
Sorry, I'm leaving. Since you don't want to talk to me. You rather left. Scanty. What is wrong?
were you about to pass? How are you doing?
I'm fine, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I came to your place, but you were not around. Where did you go?
I just went for a walk. I'm okay, Anderson. I'm not in the mood.
You're not in the mood for what? Am I fighting you? Why are you telling me you're not in the mood? You're not in the mood for what?
Like, I'm okay, but Anderson.
Why are you hungry?
Hungry? No.
Are you
It's not
sure?
it's not about food.
I made something. That's the main reason I came to your place to call you, but I didn't see you there.
You did what?
I made rice.
Oh no, I'm okay.
Are you
There's
sure?
not time for food. I'm okay. Like,
the way you are acting, is everything okay? Are you sure?
Anderson, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Then let's go in.
Let's go.
Let's go to the place and do it.
Anderson, wait, you.
Ah.
I need some.
Are you just leaving me here?
Anderson, later.
Have I done something wrong?
No, later, Anderson.
What have I done?
Yeah, me pen when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day.
Now you come. Come stand here. This is a warning. Cannon, this is a warning.
Brother James, what is going on?
Don't bother me. Do not bother me. Sister Cannon. You see the way I'm shaking? Why should I shake like this? For somebody like you. Why? Why should God be mad at me because of you?
What is going on? What are you talking about? Be clear.
Do you like what you are going through? Cannon, do you like what you are going through?
No, it's not like I chose to.
You heard the quack, baby? Nah. You don't like what you're going through. Cannon, you do not like, you see, look at the way you I know I was once a bad person. I treated you poorly. I did wrong things to you. You can say, no.
Brother James, talk.
I know I did that. So maybe you might think I'm joking. Sister Cannon, I don't like what is happening to you. Look at now you're slim now. Why? You're becoming dark. You are becoming dark. Look at the stress this useless boy. Huh? Look at the stress he's causing you. Why should you do this to yourself, Sister Cannon? Your parents brought you to the school to acquire knowledge, to learn. I know I am your ex, so you still think that I'm doing some things just to get back to you. Sister Cannon, no. I am worried. I don't like what you're doing. You're going through now. Please change. Stop it. Stop. Is it by force to date? Hey? I know I was once a bad guy. When you realized that I wasn't the good one, what did you do? You kicked me.
But I've not yet realized that he's no good. I can't just leave
All
him.
the Kwakwalebi are testifying that what is going on is not good. Look at what they are doing. Sister Cannon, this is a warning. I'm not sure we are not talking. I'm not cool with you. So this is a warning that I'm giving you. God said change.
So this is from God. So why are you adding yourself? Why are you involving yourself in God and our matter? God has sent you, so why are you doing this?
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
I went to buy something.
I can't hear you.
I went to buy something.
So where are you going?
I'm going to the hostel.
Alright, you can go.
Right now, you are making me get confused. What is God saying?
You can go.
You were
can go.
angry. I didn't hear anything. What is God saying? Is God saying I should leave him or I don't get it.
God said you know what to do, so I should tell you to do the right thing. So you can go.
Will you go with me? I want to go with you.
Well, I want to pray. You go, I will pray. I want to pray for you.
I said I want to go
Sister
with
Cannon,
you.
leave. see how many are not there.
Some of me, my big uncle says it's I'm sure. Maybe it's got more for my sure.
Jimmy, see how often I am no. What fun and way? Huh?
I couldn't say many years, my sure.
Sure. Maybe this school will be na me sure. Huh? Tell me to me feel kota na wo didi matem meboa. Tim didi matem say na me peta okodo na Jimmy sembe na ya me ye na me sua de. Safi de wo wan se kire. Ko ye adwuma de be hye me nua no. Na wo ti wo tese wo afili meboa. Wo fa na hye tu ya Jimmy dia na wo so. Yo, Adams. This time around me nua no be hye no. E mo anu waka no. Wo be hye no. Every also almost every week be ample. Every week be able to discuss. Just me make control no. So me no kasa na do offer simbe ma on. You am me one no chia wa no.
Right, so say me miniska every week many ska when dey am. Ka month pra nanka. Every week me ko
say do any dia dia uni ska me boa. Huh? Who ni yacht price? To make correct, yacht now tonight a watching. The catcher say yan nam kumasi yan 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 boy look at him say there be. Says can you free apartment I got that credit apartment in the boy. Huh? Yo, they say me yaba na wo fa fala na say wo chino just say wo da ya di me boa. We do nyame. Obehwe no obehwe mu mienu nyina. A week say na de be mo. Anya manto me see a week say na de be mo.
Week dey me come in a month 20 cedi week dey me then.
What's it there? What do you repeat? What's it there?
The same sure no.
Now see a week be a man say. A week be a man say. Hey. We say week be a man say
20 cedi.
Yeah. I can try now so ya person we want to say oh yeah John John na dey o ye ba wani sa da ho uni dey o ye bia hwe edu ani je dey o ye ska me boa wo betima ko ka cho fa so ma uska na fa ko ji wani wo betima ka cho fa o si enti se ska no nye free yo because so man say you 20 cedi ni free maybe come man say
I dey meet me na me kan you know now
a week say na be so ni akora no sorry
just the same
300 na be so we ba so ti
then na me kan you know 300 na kan dey say me ko bo me offer man that's we say 300 me ko
yeah me ka cho say ni me ka say you offer something we come man say what did you? Man, discuss it here.
What's every Friday, man? Friday.
Yeah, did this week there. Yeah, Thursday. And again, I did a share go. Every Saturday, Monday. Man, hey, man, scan is out there. You know, not punch over. Could be my own answer. What is? You are too. Man, 300.
300. I'm a jail.
300 na.
What you send a kuta no. Asi ara o person yon so ye jumbo we ni doubt you bia mi minimum life bia. Fama no. Fi kan. Come for. 3 years no. Jodo ka say
1.2.
Sure,
I'm 1.7. Then you know them.
Asi ah, won't do any down. Meboa. Ozo wo ni da o.
You say me man 1.7.
You study how ni da o meboa. Odo be banda be. There be chinano pa for scan stand no mitunya me wan fan no friend ya wo.
I go you be am if you school mo.
Dwane ko na brongo meto a o me dwane ko. Hwe. Obi fami nya ba no fa wo di wajimi. Yo. Jimmy ni nya wa.
Àwọn fo wi ni.
So o ka che 910 wa. Huh?
I'm so weak.
Why then what Jimmy sir? Huh? What Jimmy on? Fiakon. Fiakon what Jimmy?
I'm so weak.
Dina atini mane nka be nyumi yemi temote. To nyami obi foforo ti a wogu.
No say the Igbo.
What say
So me beside
si dina atini mane nka wonum. What say fie de ni school mu de mo bi ti. We could be man 4 million to
Yeah,
nyami.
me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so drum meya.
Yes, sir. Please, I just wanted to go and tell you that I'm in school now. And then I didn't want anybody to know I was in school until I met with you, sir. Yes, sir. So please, when can I come and meet you? Oh, sir, it's not a big deal. It's just that I want to discuss something with you. Yes, sir. There's a small problem at hand. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. All right, sir. So please, I'll come to you later. All right.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so drum meya.
my
Yes sir.
no wait. I don't know one come inside Dubrika.
Come on be na me.
I can send ka jina top in come.
I'm saying come on be na me wo.
They only know betray like come and bra from in come once brothers.
Kasa me too.
So on then saying issue yeah but on the men can say issue crap because me no new aba na won't say issue a good news. Me no
Then a good news. Huh? Who na get na one won hwa akra na a good news wa me wa.
like for man ko come bra from ne nka say baby
Ana wa boda mo. A good news fine. There some na me work an wo kika ka good news samo ano.
on the 50 saa time no kwan of no me dey take campus and me ninja on I thought that cry me no new aba na nim cry say obeyire ma jiska man I say na wudi matem jemi anyhow unu aba na nim enye fine unu aba no unu aba no me so oba me na wo no nti me say my girlfriend maybe ko na me be ware no we say na ni na timenu so
Me do nya me enti wani so. Kai, dey na betu wani so. Repeat, we don't repeat.
that be the oye no
Repeat.
oye na mama say mobusua no
There be repeat the okan no.
say betimenu so
O say there. There bu say there. O say there. A punch where you are so mad na wo him.
my Jesus say we makonta we nti no
Ya konta se mo akra no kra me ba be ka che ne se nye ne papa no. Aso still no be hwe no. Kai, na wajimi ana. Eti ka me mami nyane tro no komende na wudi dia na.
abi anya sa ba style ya wo ya de no for so ye bi o ye no like my job ma nua no ho afono me kra
Mister o se le. Wa dia wie no. Wa tumu to kro de ya me wo bi mbo a. Ube ja mi to nya mu be di akopim so be wu. Me say.
mobusua na fe na me bam ti no say o ye se abema ma adwan me bebre say adan mobusua no mo ye violence
Abusua no wo mdada mi to nya me. Na akwa no kwa no yes. Wo mdada wo se afa na wo bam. Hwe. Umfiri mu na mfiri mu kina wo. Ana nye wa agye se bia akwa no yes ade na ebre wa na ase bibi sa o. You adwini firi so mi to nya me. Akwa no nya be 30 years ansa na ebi obeba ho chen.
aya akwa de next year ya we school anka me kofa ma de
Kofa.
na me je we school asa na yo se me kofa
Kofa ji se mawu. Hwe. Na mo ko treat akura no style bi. Ko go treat akura no style bi ara.
Agye fiti da hu me no nua ba no kra sese na o senka okrokro me so akonta fe kwampo na o se ayo nkofa no kemu ye den ba se wo ma me ni kra nji wo campus abi.
De o si dan no anya de kra o. Ana fi bu abakona nka bo nkitikiti bi dan kam de be dwu anim.
Agye no kra na me.
O se say
ma me akonta treatment no ase
unya so hwe akra ni ye dia benya sa steez no. Yo, what's this time I remember chichi ma obi o. What say me akra ma wana?
Ibu niema bi wo wana.
Ame ka some trouble. Me nya akra ma oti. O ti asuna me ka che ono. Me nya akra ma oti. Ha? Ka che me se me nua nu nja ne da. Ka che me. Ka che me se me nua nu nja ne da. Kan ka se?
Yan min jam.
Kane kase aba be so yon so ye jimi unye jimi kwase atene o le kasa
Amagi awu force me.
kase unja mi nua no be me se kase unja mi nua no
Na wo nua no.
be ma kase unja mi tintene na me no onye pa na kase unja mi nua no kase unja mi nua no jimi na no jimi firi akọ
Force me ama pe uni abasese. Like jai boy asma me no kan o so tutum botu mi ska.
Na sakosro.
Bi ani mo man.
Ure jimi. Peja sakosro.
I was kanu ko ifin botu ma de ma uni.
Peja sakosro. Peja sa.
Like we be ska be mo
U jimi a me bo bro ba ko be kwa koda. Peja sa.
Peja me sa se nkomo ade. Like me members yem be yem saying.
O sa me catch us how ageni mu da o. Me boa. Ese can say e be okromu say aponchiri dey. To be come say.
I say you are time maje wo.
Enti waje wo me boa. Koi 3 akọ.
Like na me no wo kan. Me wa content o say
Ese wo hu dey isi mi ani pa kon me boa.
Mike say what training me.
Okay.
To one am the beba.
Chief house no koi. Yes I would na bia me tia on style. Feel ko kasia.
Mike meet your view.
Bra. Hey. Oh, me fanfula. Oh, me brother. Oh, me fanfula. Me brother. Hey,
Charlie.
what the fanfula?
Hey, what's a kulikuli yo?
Heavens, what's up, Nabairo?
Yeah, Jimmy.
Oh, they just say Kikako.
I'm a kulikuli. I say chips.
Oh, yeah, Kikako, you do me, I do you.
One nigga best, that's you, that's you.
One nigga best. Already.
For the fun, where have you been?
Oh, I had to make some rounds, around the town. Miko Hudu. I went to your hood.
Me hood.
Oh, baby, I'm not fair, so Bobone is saying around.
Who forget to?
Because I get to all.
Baby, I'm first name Bobo.
Oh, I'm who direct me, who Christod, me, who Travis, me, who money now.
Why should I show?
Oh, Bia.
And to control Mario ni Mula, Gozo, Babana, no, that's
Bia. Necessary crowd, Gozo, in trouble, we say no. Or bad, and say Ezos Piper. What do you try and say?
Hey. Wow. And pen also me boss in my best sound.
Oh,
so brother fan, I didn't know you school now and for free me pack. We don't know where did you go, bro?
Oh, no, it was impromptu. There was an emergency, a very, very big issue. So I had to leave the campus, rediscover some things. Yeah, it was a whole lot.
Hey, Mr. Literature. You know how to speak, so when they ask you just bring it vocabularies out and that's all.
Formulate your own words, all that.
Wow. Yeah, so no, brother fan, you know that I like you. Even if there's something you can open up to me. Oh. Are you sure you didn't go because of Asantua's pregnancy?
Brother James, what are you trying to say? Pregnancy is normal. As a man, at a certain point in your life, you will impregnate a girl, yes?
Yeah.
Yes, you will. You will have a child.
Yeah.
And unfortunately for me, I started early. I'm already ahead of you in the race. You don't know this.
You know what? I just like your confidence, my brother. Though I don't like the fact that you've impregnated the girl, but then I like how you've accepted it. It's good. It's good that you are ready for this.
So you still do your pimpness?
Oh, brother, fun. I can't stop this. God asked me to do it, so I can't disobey God.
And I'm the belt to be at it. That's to be the blade at church.
Brother, fun. It's been a while.
Oh yeah.
If you come, don't
No,
start with
I'm
that.
not trying to say
Do not
that.
start with
No,
that.
no. In fact, after you go for your evangelism and those things, come to the door. Let me give you a new belt.
You give me a new
Yeah, I'll
belt.
give you a new one.
Yeah, brother, fun.
I got you.
You know one thing. One thing I like about you. You are a fool, though. But you use what God has gave you to get something. Everybody think you are mad, but actually you are wise.
That, you are making a mistake. You are the only one who thinks I'm mad. Oh, how can you tell me this?
You were saying foolish, and that's why I also said that, my brother.
Oh, you want to be like me? Okay. So you want to be mad? Okay.
Well, so brother fan, I think that's why. But you see, you just came, and I have to tell you some things. There are new students in the school.
New students?
Yes, the 4 months are in.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so you have to know how to deal with them. They don't respect. So you have to know how to talk to them. You understand? I don't want them to disrespect you, brother. So I would like to take my leave, brother fan.
Sure.
Yeah.
So, wait, before you go, let's for one thing.
Brother fan, you started this thing long ago.
Oh,
that strategy to borrow.
No.
Are you sure you're not going to?
Oh, no.
All right, I'm listening.
Osendia,
Namidi mouth. I didn't tell you. I told you, fool, my brother.
Hey. Okay. New students, new faces, new attitudes, new characters. Wow.
Yeah, me pen I mean the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen I mean the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso me yeah. Me person me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord.
What's wrong? These days, I don't really see you well. Is everything okay? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Why? What's wrong?
I've realized that you're always in your personal space.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong. I just need my peace of mind. No. A lot have been no, I just need my peace of mind.
You were about to say something. A lot.
No, I just wanted to say I just don't like being in a lot of people.
Are you sure? And I realized that these days you and my J are not really vibing anymore. Is everything fine between you two?
Oh yeah, it's just some boys. You know, guys have mood swings. So
guys have mood swings.
Yeah.
Guys.
Yeah, some guys. So there's nothing wrong.
These days you make it really hard for me to talk to you. Just open up. Why is it hard?
Precious, there's nothing wrong. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm fine.
I know you. If there's something wrong, I will know. If everything is fine too, I will know.
So you should know. You should know that everything is fine. Just that I just want to be in my own space. I want to be in my own world. I'm okay.
If you say so, but know that I'm always there. If you want somebody to talk to, you can come to me. Okay.
Oh yeah, okay.
So anytime you want to talk to me, just know that I'm around.
Okay, don't worry.
Because I know everything is not fine. Okay.
So why are we here? What are you thinking?
Oh, I feel like you are not okay. So just come and talk to me when you are ready.
You've not heard anything, but you just feel like I'm not.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
According to how you're acting.
That's fine.
Okay. So when you're ready, come to me. You know where to find me. I'll see you later.
Hey, don't worry, I'll come there. I'll come there in the evening, okay?
Nti akra no e. Ah, we janu fia wan na hwe. Sewa. Na wo asem be na ya me ka kire.
Granny, one family. Once na me ba se ni pese me de ne be ba se.
Aka kire mo se sewa mo no me fa akra ni nkoja no. Nso sori na de omo ma yi omani ama nso sori na de akra no ko no. Ah? Asem be na me ka kire o.
Relax here. Bibi any relax.
Me relax say. E go for omo yi omani ama a long time. Nso sori na de akra na kwa akomo mo.
Inti me ba e bia me mfa ne mbra.
Na wa seme na me ka kire sa akran de bia ma ne mben o.
Ne ho fa no.
You see Adams no or Sandus ka ofro or Sandus council.
Bra, on frame mpo na baba be sendi miska wonya hwe. Wonya hwe.
O se Adams nye dey.
On sendi miska. Ono so a on frɛ encheke up. Sa akra no wadidi. Se waye den onye hwe
Adams sendi wuska
on sendi
o frɛ na on sanfa
on fa
so boy you know no person tell me street life me chen say any fan fully now ye jai ye jai ye ska hye ye ho pan so ne ye hu din ye pe wo de na di ye nim nya sa no kora sen no hwe so no a hard guy me boa. Never share. Right. Obesisa. Obeso ni akra nyina na ne wo fa no so ko.
Bra. Ni wo fa no me ko no ma, otimi pamo me. Se mi mpie. Wana ma ntumi na ye nsi ho. Ono kra de ranka scanty kra ye.
Ni wo fa
nka scanty kra mpo ye. Wo ka no di wo se didi matem.
So asimo medical kam si school we. Se me jaya omo mienu. Na me jan so a Tonya me so omo ebe gi omo nsem school mu a. O de say you na e wa ha. Hwe, wo be family aba na wo hwe me nyaba.
Ya na we nya ntobase nso.
Ni me nya ntobase o. Si e kasa kire a unti. Na o de me te wa na be simi triman mu ti me dwene ho Adam so nim se me ni na dware de. Unim sa Adam's Bema tin what mafa. I'm a Brita. Adam's Bema to say. What man mene? Hey, we are crab bunny.
Oh,
Jiddy a chance. When you say you swear about you now, deserve it. And what? So what you call it? What Jimmy Crossing Adams no? What Jimmy Adams no? O catch him so jike say sir nti si unya wo abesa obi unya abesa wo wajimi ana.
Hey, when you called, I was having a meeting. Is there a reason for me speaking to you lightly on the phone? Tell me, where were you?
I mean, I didn't go anywhere. I was just at my grandma's place.
Why are you lying to me?
Sir, why would I lie to you?
Why wouldn't you lie to me?
Sir, I'm being very frank. I was at my grandma's place.
You are lying to me. Why are you lying?
Sir, I'm being very how can I lie to you, sir? I'm telling you the truth.
You're not telling me the truth.
Sir, I'm being very
I
honest.
sent someone to your grandmother's end, and she said it. She told us categorically you weren't there. So don't look into my face and lie to me.
Sir, really? Hey.
You're mad. Vaughn, don't let me rain insults on you.
Sir, please calm down.
Why should I calm down? Besides, okay, granted, you went to your grandmother's place. Did you take an exit?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, it was impromptu. I was falling really sick. I had to leave.
So you have to break the rules.
Sir, I didn't intend to break the rules.
But you broke the rules at the end.
Sir, yeah, if you put it that way, in hindsight, yes.
You broke the rules, you did not go to your grandmother, and then you were not picking calls. You were not calling either.
Sir, it's because I wasn't able to call.
So what were you doing? Fanfula, let me tell you something. I like you very much, right?
Sir, please, I'm aware.
I give you virtually everything that you ask.
Yes, sir.
But that doesn't mean I'm weak. The fact that you know something about me doesn't mean I'm weak. I can be very rude. So when you were not calling, what were you expecting? Should your mother call? What should we tell her?
Sir, please, did she call you?
You're asking me, did she call me? Is she not your mom?
From all her comments, what did she ask you say?
Don't ask me nonsense.
So,
sorry for yourself. Bonfula, I'm warning you for the last time. Don't try this nonsense again. Don't try it with me again. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. So you have my word. I won't try it again.
And then, secondly, my daughter is here now.
Your daughter?
Yeah. Young, fair-colored girl.
Fair-colored?
Yeah.
She's part of the freshers?
Yes.
It's
Keep
like,
an
I saw her around the campus before I met you.
Good. Keep an eagle eyes on her. Huh?
No problem, sir. So I'll watch her like a hawk. Nobody will be able to find her. I said, please, what about you and the business? How are things?
It's not your business.
I said, you know, I've been the one getting information for you.
You've been getting me information. Where were you? You abandoned me, isn't it?
I didn't mean to.
But at the end of the day, you abandoned me.
Sir, no, you see, because of the pregnancy and then...
Fanfula, it's okay. So, what do you want to know?
I just want to know how it is going now. Maybe you have been able to fix all the issues. Maybe she's still causing problems. So I'll know whether I have to do more investigations for you. So you know me, I'm the best at my work.
Well, I'm okay. We are on. So attend to your matters. You can leave.
Okay, thank you, sir.
But as I told you, don't play stupidity again.
Sir, please silence. Once again, you have my word, sir. Thank you. Sir, yeah.
Chloe, with Jimmy Cradodo. Ah! That's what he been. What in the far, no afar. Mentor was Metia. Menu was another. When we didn't chair, woman yasem. And yasam adaku mean for headmaster, someone to be naming money minimum. Say there's a little boy in every man.